Arup Mandrekar, the chairman of SPL, to escort all the dignitaries on the days. Shri Dayanand Mandrekar, sir, who has been always our support. Praveen Dadurkar, social worker. Sagar Naik, Panch member, Asgaon Village Panchayat. Kishore Shivkarma, security manager, W Goa. It's a proud privilege to have you all here with us, sir. I, Rudresh Uttam Mahamal, your host for the evening, once again welcome you all for this jersey and trophy unveiling ceremony of SPL 3, Shahpura Premier League 3. Eight team squad, and then the squad became of 9 teams, and this year we have 3 new teams joining the journey who will be fighting for the championship: Ocean Kings, Armstrong Anjuna, and Shahpura Thunders. Shahpura Premier League has been started with a clear collective vision. This is a platform where young and old rub shoulders together. The energy of youths and the experience of the senior most players, the legends of the local cricket, rub shoulders together and fight it out for the ultimate championship, the Shahpura Premier League trophy. Now I request Nilesh Sodankar to kindly brief us on the aims and objectives behind starting Shahpura Premier League.
Chief guest of the evening, Shri Dayanand Mandrekar, most valuable special invitees on the days.
2021 जे जर्सी अनविलिंग प्रोग्राम जाता तो एक बरो सुवाळो आणि तुमच्या आदारान आम्ही ह्या सुवाळ्याक सुरवात करतात. आमच्या ह्या सुवाळ्याक आमचे नामनेचे एक्स मिनिस्टर आणि आमचे लाडके आदले आमदार बाब दयानंद मांद्रेकर, श्री दयानंद मांद्रेकर आमच्या मदी आसात. आता ह्या सुवाळ्यातच न्हय तर फाटली 15-20 वर्सां जाली बाब श्री दयानंद मांद्रेकर मनोरवा क्लब म्हण नाका, SPL म्हण नाका, सदांच आमच्या फाटल्यान आसात.
And the 3 new teams.
Front side. Front side. Hey, front side.
These are the wonderful jerseys. A huge round of applause for the beautiful trophy that the teams will be playing for. Kaisu Scott 3 legends and Chapora Thunders. This is the attire, gentlemen, in which the teams will be going out all guns blazing. Third edition of Chapora Premier League. To acknowledge the efforts put in by the manufacturers of jerseys. These beautiful jerseys are going to add some tournament. Chapora Premier League, I request all registered. It's a tournament where young and old, rough shoulders, the energy, the youth of mixes with
Wagadur Royals, number 1.
Wagadur Royals number 1. Wagadur Royals is number 1.
Chapura Spartan,
Chapora Spartans number 2. Indian Ocean. Team number 5, Indian Ocean.
Chapura Thunders,
Chapora Thunders. Team number 7, Chapora Noble Strikers. Team number 8, Noble Strikers.
Armstrong Anjuna,
Armstrong Anjuna. Ocean Kings, another newcomer to the tournament. Savitri Legends. Savitri Legends. And Anjuna Champs. The final team number 10, Ocean Kings. Team number 11, Savitri Legends. And ultimately team number 12, Anjuna Champs. Thank you.
Thank you for coming at W Goa and giving us the opportunity, to participate in such a activity. And I remember Mr. Santosh, who approached me asking for a favor. I said, when I proposed this to my GM was really happy to help our local villagers and in the tournament, cricket tournament, and we are really happy to be a part of this third cricket tournament, and we'll be really happy to be on the ground to see you all play. I wish all the best to all the 12 team members and the people who are present here. Thank you so much for inviting us.
Chapora Premier League याचे जर्सी आणि ट्रॉफी याचे आतांच अनावरण जालें आणि ह्या खाशेल्या कार्यक्रमाक उपस्थित व्यासपीठावरले सगळे मान्यवर तशेंच फुडें बसल्या सगळ्या टिमीचे कॅप्टन्स मेंबर्स आणि ह्या ऑर्गनायझींग कमिटी आहा तेचे मेंबर सुरवातेक कॉंग्रेच्युलेट हेची कमिटी आहा तेंचे हांव मना पासून अभिनंदन करता. कारण एक ही जी ऑर्गनायझींग कमिटी आहा अशा पद्धतीचे टोर्नामेंट सारखे शिस्तबद्ध ऑर्गनायज करप हें खरेंच तेंचे कडसून शिकोवंक जाय. एक बऱ्या पद्धतीन टोर्नामेंट कसो आसता हो प्रश्न ना. टोर्नामेंटाक प्रायजीस मनी कितें आसता तेकाय इम्पोर्टंट ना. एकदा कितें आसता आमी खूब टोर्नामेंट पळयता, खूब प्रायजीस मनी आसता, सगळें कन्फ्युजन, सगळो बोबाळ, कांयच जायना, खंयच शिस्त दिसना, डिसिप्लीन ही खंयच दिसना. हांव पेडण्यार वयता खूब टोर्नामेंट हे करपाक. प्रायजीस मनी कितें 1.5 लाख आसता फर्स्ट प्रायज, मोठी प्रायजां, पूण बोबाळ सगळो निमाणें कशें आसता. एक टोर्नामेंट सोंपतना खंय तरी उशीर जाताना खंय तरी मागीर ते गॅस्ट आहा कोण बक्षिसां घेता कितें कोणाक उलोवपूय मेळना. आनी बाबा तुज्याक हे सगळे टोर्नामेंट आमी ऑर्गनायज करता, तेच्या फाटलो मेन हेतू कितें अरे जी ऑर्गनायझिंग कमिटी आहा ह्या कमिटीन तेचे कडून आमकां अपेक्षा कितें तेंच्यांनी आमी आमच्या भुरग्यांक लागून कितें करता हे पयलीं सांगपाचें. आज ज्या पद्दतीन हांगा एकट्यान उलयतना एक वेगवेगळे विशय आहा ते सगळे लोकां पर्यंत उपस्थिती थोडी आहा समजूंक शकता. कारण सगळ्यात व्हडलें हेल्थ इज वेल्थ आणि फिटनेस ह्या भुरग्यांक जर आमी बरें हे करतले तयार करतले जाल्यार अशा पद्दतीचे टोर्नामेंट करपाची गरज आसा आनी ते शिस्तबद्ध. एक कित्याक खेळोंक जाय म्हणजे येयले खंयसून हाडले प्लेयर खेळयले आनी गेले अशें जावपाक ना. आज हो जो एक्सरसायज आहा ह्या SPL ऑर्गनायज करप म्हटल्या नंतर एक सादारण गोश्ट न्हू. म्हाका दिसता ही जी ऑर्गनायझींग टीम आहा ही जवळ जवळ फाटले 2 म्हयने जाले काम करता हेच्या फाटल्यान. 2 म्हयने आनी ह्या 2 म्हयन्यांत ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी एक एक करीत म्हणजे टिमी 8 आसल्यो तेचे वरतून 12 म्हणजे पार्टिसिपेशन आहा पळय हेतून
Also, media partners, thank you everyone, guys. It's been a privilege to have all of you here.
The matches will be played on Sundays and holidays. And so considering that the dates we have finalized almost like a mid of 14th of February will be the final line. So but depends on the situation. But as per our schedule we have planned it on 14th Feb of 2021 as the final of the SPL 3.
Tennis ball cricket.
Yeah, tennis ball cricket. It is known as T10 tennis ball cricket tournament. T10. 10 overs. Unveiling of jersey and a trophy program wherein we had a guest ex-minister Sri Dayanand Manrekar and plus other dignitaries who were present here. And the venue which we have selected was a W Goa. We have seen so many activities or functions which are taking place here, and we are very thankful to the W Goa Hotels for providing to organize this function. We are very thankful to, especially for the security manager of the W Goa.
Yeah.